How to draw a zombie pumpkin. Hey, what is going on everybody? So for the first step of today's drawing, we're going to begin by making 3 curved lines towards the top of the page and 3 right below. The middle curved line will be the largest of the 3. Nicely done. Now let's go right below and draw the exact same thing that we did up top. All done? If so, the next step will be to connect the top and the bottom together. We're going to go right here on the top left hand side and we're going to draw a long curved line connecting all the way down to the bottom left hand side. Now let's do the same thing but on the right hand side. Now since we are drawing a zombie pumpkin, we're going to begin to make the brains on the top of the pumpkin. We're going to do this by using a bunch of small C-like shapes. Once we connect this, it will look similar to a cloud. See? Now we're going to begin to make it look like a brain by adding in small C-like shapes on the inside. We'll draw a stem on top of the brains. Now we have the outline complete. For the next step, we're going to go into the inside of the pumpkin and we're going to begin to draw the mouth. The mouth that I draw will be open with a few teeth on the inside, but you can make your mouth any way that you choose. I'm making an open mouth to make it appear as if there is a real zombie look. The shape of the teeth that I draw will be square. Fantastic job! Next, above the mouth, we're going to begin to draw the eyes. The eyes will look similar to Spider-Man eyes. If you enjoy watching Halloween drawing tutorials just like this video, then I highly recommend that you consider checking out our Halloween drawing tutorial playlist and that you hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all the latest drawings that we post. Whoa, so far this is coming along very well. Now on the inside of the pumpkin, I'm going to begin to add in a weird shape on the top for detail. Next, we're going to begin to draw the arms. We're going to first begin on the right hand side. If I ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video. Nice! Now on the left hand side, we're going to begin to draw the second arm as well as hand, and we're going to make it look almost identical to the right. If this video helped you out today, be sure to give it a big like so other YouTube artists can see it as well. Now we're almost done, but for the last step, I'm just going to add in a few small circular shapes for detail to make it appear as if our pumpkin zombie is rotting. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. I can't wait to see you next time. After this video, I'm going to show a picture of our drawing colored in so that you can pause the video and match your colors. Hey Learn How to Drill Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.